dear students, welcome back to my channel. Again we are back with a very interesting video. We are going to solve the system of linear equations today. The word solve, or if you are given find the solution, so it means we have to find the value of x, y, whatever the variable is given to us, right? So this is the question and we have to solve this system of linear equation. It means we will find the value of the variables from this question. Okay, so since this is we are dealing with matrix, so the matrix form of this system is the metric form of this system is equals to writing these coefficients in the matrix. Here we will write 3, then we will write -5, this one -2 and this one 1. Okay, so this is how we write in the form of matrix. Now here we will write the coefficients x and y, and now we will write these two terms in a separate matrix form. So now can we label this matrix as matrix A, and we suppose this matrix to be equals to x and y. Also let me label these matrices as B, 1, 3. Okay, so we have labeled these three matrices as A, X and B. So now can we write it as A, this one X, the sign of equality equals to B. Okay, so as I have told you, solve or solution, it means finding the value of variables, right? So we have to find the value of this x whose entries are equals to x and y. So it means we have to find the value of x. So a is an additional factor here. So to eliminate a from here, let me label this equation as 1 and pre-multiplying a inverse on both sides of equality. So we have A inverse A x. This is equals to A inverse B. So as we know that A inverse into A, this is equals to identity. So we will write identity matrix here into X. This is equals to A inverse. So something when it is multiplied with identity, we have the same term x. This is equals to A inverse B. So now we have A inverse here and we know how to find the inverse of a 2 cross 2 matrix. So inverse is equals to 1 over determinant into adjoint of A. So for finding the determinant, we have the matrix A to be equals to, so finding its determinant, we have cross multiply 3, 1 minus, we have -2 and -5. So 3 1 times 3 minus plus and 2 5 times is 10. So 3 minus 10 is equals to -7, which is not equals to 0. So it means its inverse is possible. This is a non-singular matrix and its inverse is possible. Now we will find adjoint A. Adjoint of A is found by interchanging the position of these two entries and changing the sign of these two entries. Minus sign, now we will have plus sign, and minus 2, now we will have a positive 2, right? Basically these two entries are positive and we replace these positive entries by negative entries, right? So now we will have this term. Now calculating A inverse, which is equals to 1 over the value of determinant of A, which is equals to minus 7, into adjoint of A, which is equals to 1, 5, 2, 3. So this is, we have A inverse. Now we will find the value of this factor. Let me label this equation as 2 and putting the value of A inverse in equation number 2. X is equals to, this is the value for A inverse, writing it as it is. And then we have B. So B matrix is equals to, so now we have X is equals to minus 1 over 7, and now we will multiply these two matrices. So multiplying first row with this column, and we have 1 into 1 times plus 5 into 3 times. Sorry, this is 1 and minus 3. So I have changed 3 by minus 3 overall in the question, right? So here we have 5 and minus 3. Now we will multiply second row with this column, and we have 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3. This is equals to minus 1 over 7, 1 times 1 plus 5 minus 3 times is minus 15. Then we have 2 1 times 2 plus 3 minus 3 times is minus 9. So now we have X is equals to minus 1 over 7, 1 minus 15 is equals to minus 14, and 2 minus 9 is equals to minus 7. Now we will multiply this term with each term of this matrix. We have X is equals to minus 1 over 7 into minus 14, and minus 1 over 7 into minus 7. So minus and minus sign will be cancelled out, and 7 2 times is 14. So we have 2, minus minus will be cancelled out, and 7 1 times is 7. So we have this value. Since X is equals to X, Y, and this is equals to 2, 1. So it means X is equals to 2 and Y is equals to 1. So we have solved the system of linear equation. So I hope you like this video. So give this video a thumbs up and also give your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video. Take care.